Hello, wonderful. So yesterday was about what you do. And those questions are pretty easy to answer because people ask them a lot. What do you do for a living? What do you do with your days? What do you do for work? What do you do in your free time? We're pretty used to answering those questions, so they're pretty easy. Today's question is more about who you are. And because if I say, who are you? We may answer back, I'm a manager. Who are you? I'm an athlete. Who are you? I'm a musician. Who are you? I'm a parent. And those are okay, but who are you? Really, who are you? And we start thinking in those terms, we start to really figure out what we can bring to the table. Who are you? I'm a learner. I'm constantly learning. Who are you? I love people. I like to grow people. I like to help people. Who are you? I'm incredibly detailed and I want to make sure everything is taken care of for those around me. Who are you? Ready for day 3? Check it out.